How to update an Outlook meeting without sending notifications. First, launch open your web browser and head over to Microsoft Outlook website, or you can launch open the Outlook app. Now, log into your account by entering your email and password. After logging in, go to your Outlook dashboard. Now you will see that in Outlook 2025 there is no direct feature to update a meeting without notifying attendees. As a workaround, click the notification bell icon in the top right corner. Select notification settings from the drop-down menu, go to calendar events and turn off notifications for yourself. This silences your calendar alerts so you won't receive update notifications when editing meetings. While others may still receive notifications, this method helps you avoid personal interruptions when updating meeting details. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.